How do you divide each element in a list by an int? I just want to divide each element in a list by an int. This is the error. I understand why I am receiving this error, but I'm frustrated that I can't find a solution. Also tried. Error. Expected result. Edit. The following code gives me my expected result. But is there an easier / faster way to do this?
The idiomatic way would be to use list comprehension. Or, if you need to maintain the reference to the original list.
The way you tried first is actually directly possible with NumPy. If you do such operations with long lists and especially in any sort of scientific computing project, I would really advise using NumPy.
The abstract version can be
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.